Hello everyone. This video is related to the Microsoft Excel, kind of a tutorial for the beginners. You can get the idea what Microsoft Excel is, where we are going to discuss different tools, different options. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. Introduction basically, Microsoft Excel is a program which is available for Windows, Mac operating system, and other devices as well, where that is used for the calculation or you can say computation capabilities, where you can use the additional stuff like graphic tools, pivot tables, macro programming languages, and other VB stuffs you can utilize. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna discuss about download and install. Okay, so if you have the license of Office 365, you can go ahead and log in and you can see the install Office button there where you can download it and install it. So it's already installed on my computer. I'm not going to download it. Another way, you can search Office in Microsoft Store. Scroll down and you can see the Office icon there. This will be free, where you can install it. Okay, so this is my Excel. You can see multiple options there, blank workgroup, or you can search the template. So this is a good feature which you can use if you want to uh, prepare a template or any file from scratch. You can go with the blank workgroup. Otherwise, you can go to the more template, and here you can see the multiple templates which are already there and designed with the calculation, and you can download it and fill the information as per you. As you can see, I have already almost 50 entries are there, where I have taken an example of grocery list, and you can see the date in first column, region, city, with the category, and product quantity will be there, and unit price and total price. So we will go ahead and do the basic stuff and basic formatting in this Excel. Let's start with the initial which we can do. Uh, I want to highlight the first row. Um, with, so we can use bold, italic, and underline here. So these are very simple. You just have to select it and click on these buttons, which will change it. If you want to increase the size, you can increase it from here. If you want to decrease the font size, you can go ahead and do it here. And if you want to set any particular size there, you can select and change the font size. Next part would be if you want to change any color from of this cell, on this particular cell which I have of this cell on this particular cell which I have selected, you can go. The next option will be to change the font color. You can select the column, or you can select multiple cells as well, and you have to select this one and you can choose the particular color which you want to set. Next would be if you want to align this particular line to the center, you can go ahead and select this one and this one. This will align it to the center. And as you can see, I am not able to see the next option, like the word beat, which is written here, but that is not visible, and this is happening with other columns as well. So you have to select the entire sheet and double click anywhere in between the column line. You just double click on it and it will automatically adjust the size of entire sheet. Right. um, Next part would be if you want to merge any particular value. For example, I just want to type a grocery list here, and you want to merge it on the top of this line. So you can select the entire range of columns and just click on merge and center. The entry will come here. So as this is the heading, I will go ahead and bold it and will change the size. Okay, that's how you can change and you can highlight it. Next option, you can see if you want to set any particular currency symbol in front of the euro is here, so you can change and you can set that particular currency symbol in front of the value. Next would be conditional formatting. If you want to highlight any particular cell, of this sheet, you can go ahead and use that. um, for example, I just want to highlight the Boston city, so I will go ahead and select the equal to, and value would be Boston, and whichever color you want to set here, you can do, and you can go ahead and use it. And if you want to remove this particular formatting, you can again go to the conditional formatting and clear the rules and select it cell, so entire rule will be disappear. Next will be cells. You can insert cell. For example, I want to insert a row, so I'll select the row, and you can see that the row will come up on the above of this grocery list, right? If I want to delete any particular cell or row, I can go ahead and use it. So now, right now, I can see the first row is selected. I'll select the entire row and okay, and you can see that the first one is, you can select the other formatting styles as well. Your color will change, and you can set it from it, and you can set any particular color formatting to the entire sheet. Under the conditional formatting, there is one more option, will greater than. I'll select 200, and the color I can select for the highlight, and okay, so you can see that all the values which are above 200 are highlighted. The same way, I want to highlight any specific category in this cell. I will go conditional formatting and equal to, I can select here, and I want to highlight the bars, so bars will be highlighted. To remove this setting again, I will select it, go to the conditional formatting, clear rule, and from the selected cell, you can see the entire formatting will be disappear. Filter and sort option will be there. If you want to filter any specific value in the table, you go ahead and select the filter button. So here I'll go and select Boston City in the filter, and you can see that on the screen only Boston entries are visible and displaying. The same way, I can select Los Angeles, I can select New York, I can select the all entries. So this is particular to select any specific value in the Excel. Sorting is something which you can use to sort any specific uh, in a specific way, like for city, if you want to sort it with the alphabet, and for the pricing, if you want to highlight, and if you want to sort it from highest to lowest and lowest to highest, you can do that. So let's take an example. I'll select this total price cell, and here I will select largest to smallest, so you can see that it will be sorted by the highest value to lowest value, and this is applicable to the entire sheet. Thank you so much for watching this video. These are some of basic formatting steps in Excel which I have highlighted in this video. If you have any specific suggestion or query, you can put it in the comment box and I'll definitely answer it. So there are some more videos which I'll make these videos in the parts. So next part will be uploaded for the next content. Thank you so much, and please subscribe the channel.